Marie Henchman. I'm a recent school counseling graduate, so I'm looking for a job in that field, but I currently work in fundraising.
My opinion on guns is no one should have them but the authorities.
I don't think that guns are bad, but I do think there needs to be more regulation around them.
More precautions should be taken to protect the students on campus.
I don't think everyone with a mental illness is going to be a school shooter, but I definitely think that people could be more prone to becoming a school shooter if they're not getting the help that they need to handle their mental illness, which could be access to medication, access to counseling, access to crisis resources.
Really important that the media points to these different stories of mass murders involved with gun violence, because this brings more awareness to the issue.
Nice that the way technology is, we find out things in real time, but I think misinformation could be spread when something's happening in a crisis situation. I also think that they're giving a voice to the gunmen instead of focusing on the victims, and that might encourage other people to commit similar crimes for attention.
More precautions should be taken to protect the students on campus.
I think there needs to be more resources available to people that are in crisis, as far as like not only like mental health, but just counseling services and different things like that as well. I think a lot of people do things in desperate times that maybe they wouldn't do if they had access or knew about what resources were available to them.